Understanding the Hallelujah Moment, a deep dive. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and effective. Today, we're diving into a fascinating expression that you might have heard but not fully understood. The Hallelujah Moment. This phrase has a rich background and a powerful meaning, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to use it confidently in your conversations. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets behind this expression. A Hallelujah moment refers to a time of sudden realization, enlightenment, or discovery. It's that instant when a solution to a problem becomes clear, an idea crystallizes, or an understanding dawns upon you, often after a period of confusion or uncertainty. The word, hallelujah, itself is an expression of joy, praise, or relief, especially in a religious context, but its use in this phrase extends to secular moments of joy and revelation as well. The phrase borrows from religious language, where hallelujah is a term used to express praise or thanks to God. Over time, it has been adopted into everyday language to describe moments of great personal insight or joy that feel almost spiritual in their intensity. You might experience a hallelujah moment when you finally understand a complex topic, come up with a brilliant idea, or find the answer to a problem that has been troubling you for a long time. Solving a complex problem. Imagine you've been struggling with a difficult math problem for hours, and suddenly, the solution becomes clear. That instant of clarity and relief is your hallelujah moment. Creative breakthroughs. Artists, writers, and musicians often speak of having hallelujah moments when a piece of work finally comes together after much effort. Personal insights. Sometimes, a hallelujah moment can be deeply personal, like realizing what you want to do with your life or understanding something important about yourself. To use the phrase, hallelujah moment, effectively, context is key. It's best suited for situations where there is a significant shift in understanding, a sudden solution to a problem, or a moment of great joy. For example, after weeks of research, I finally had a hallelujah moment and figured out how to fix the bug in the code. Reading her book, I had a hallelujah moment about my own life's direction. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what a hallelujah moment is and how you can use this expression in your own life. It's a powerful way to describe those incredible instances of revelation and joy that we all experience. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about expressing the richness of human experience. So, the next time you have a hallelujah moment, you'll know exactly how to share it with the world. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.